Hi everyone. I hope you've enjoyed your first week of Leading Edge. My name is Sue Christensen, and I'm a co-facilitator of the course with Emma. Now that you've gotten a chance to get to know each other a bit, we're ready to jump into the next module. Emma and I are so impressed with the wide range of experience and levels of expertise that all of you have. As we move through the modules over the next 7 weeks, we hope to learn more about your perspectives and background as you share your experience with the group. As we jump into Module 2, I'd like to provide a quick overview of the calendar and how timing works in the course. From here on out, all assignments will be due either on Thursdays or Sunday evenings. Your initial discussion posts are due on Thursdays, with your responses to others due by the following Sunday evening. Any other assignments and your reflections for the module will be due on Sunday evenings as well. The content for the next week's module will be released on Fridays, giving you the opportunity to get a head start on the next week's readings and assignments, if you wish. This week, you will be exploring the history of online and blended learning. Last week was focused on you as an online learner. This week, we start the transition to you as an online or blended teacher. As always, you should begin by reading the textbook for the module, so that you have the necessary vocabulary and background information to participate in the discussions, reflections, and projects. You will begin by reading a 2011 report by the Clayton Christensen Institute for Disruptive Innovation, formerly known as the Insight Institute. The report discusses the various models of online and blended learning and then looks more carefully at what that looks like in actual school settings. Your discussion prompt for this week has you delving into the profiles, analyzing the success factors, and assessing how the profile might apply in your own school or district. This week, you will be completing your first portfolio assignment. A Venn diagram comparing online and/or blended learning and/or face-to-face teaching or learning. You will create your Venn diagram using an online tool or app. The curriculum links a few tools, including Creately and also Google Drawings. You should try to play around with at least a couple of these tools to better understand the strengths and limitations. Creately has developed some issues with embedding, and not all tools seem to play nice with all browsers. Do feel free to use a tool that's not listed, including those for iPad or Android. You may submit a screenshot rather than an embedded object if necessary. To submit your portfolio assignment, you will use Haiku's wiki projects. Start by clicking on View Projects. The first time you do this, it will show you the directions again, and you will hover over the space to the right of your name and click Start Wiki Site. The Haiku help page does have a tutorial about how to embed Web 2.0 tools in your wiki project. Your reflection this week, assignment 2.3, asks you to think about how your instructional methodologies might change in an online or blended environment. Refer to the textbook for a discussion of both pedagogical and technological skills needed for success. With that, enjoy your week and let us know if you run into any difficulties, and we'll see you online.